Alliance Gator. Alliance Gator offers a complete line of cleaners for concrete pavers, wet cast and natural stone. Gator Rust Cleaner is effective in removing rust, water buildup, fertilizer stains. This product does not contain muriatic acid. Here are the steps to follow. Make sure to wear rubber gloves and safety glasses. Apply the product to the stain. Let it react for 2 to 3 minutes. Scrub the surface with a hard bristle brush. Rinse with water and repeat as needed. After using the Gator Rust Cleaner on various spots, clean the entire surface with Gator Efflorescence Cleaner for an overall uniform color. At Alliance Gator, quality is our strength. For more information, you can reach us at alliancegator.com.